Well, it's been a while since I made a video, but I thought I'd make this little video to show how simply you can make a folding knife pouch. This one here has been carried about 4 years. This one's brand new. This is buffalo leather and it's real pliable and it's real thin. My Leatherman slides in and out quite easily, but I've never lost a knife or a tool out of one of these pouches. This shows you how it wears. It's hand stitched on a stitching pony, saddle stitched, and it's hand cut, and it's hand riveted, and it's riveted inside so it's below the surface and you can't feel the rivet. The rivet never touches what's in it. And the reason I made them like this is I sold them when I was in business on the road, and I sold a lot of them. I never had one come back for repair. I never had any complaints. In fact, once they bought a few, a feed store, or I sold wholesale, they come back for more. It makes a good little pouch, and these are, by the way, go on the right side with this side pointed out. I made both left and right. Well, that's about all I got to say right now. So